Hey guys, padong mi sa PSP nga area guys ba. Padong mi sa PSP area guys. Have shortcut day that way? Okay. Maybe is padong mi sa kuan ba iskugin guys. O siyang kuanan gibidyohan guys ba amon tan-awon guys unsay pamorma ng PSP guys ba atay ning PSP. Not allowed to have the proper way ito. Okay guys. Wow, this is button. That way guys. What one button? Oh, it's not good. Pispi nila guys. Amon tanaawon guys. Pero dili may magpispi good guys. That way guys. Munilang pispi guys. Adara guys the whole 6. Atong padong man ni pispi guys. Kalingawan sa mga Swedish dere iksa og murag bola guys ba. Adto iksa bola. So arita dere guys kagubatan guys. Atong modelo ang atong bana. So modelo na to atong bana mo ni paligid sa kagubatan naradtong amua guys. Kabong gubatan nga gamay guys ba. So mao day ni siya guys. Ront. Ilan yung gikuanan og unsay kuan guys ba. Unsay what bado minaden?
This is part 3.
Part 3 through that area. Through away. Then andra area there also. Upstairs.
Part 3 and then
That here. There.
But maybe number 1 up there maybe.
But number 2 there. Okay. Okay. We tested me guys. Maraming turista. Sa among kagubatan. Gobyerno, ngita lang dyan og kalingawan po guys ba. Yang labay-labay ko sa bula. Ano ang kalingawan dari guys. Maglabay-labay og bula. Gat kayo guys. Gat kayo sa kasaka gamay guys ba. Panindot sa kuan. So, sa kasaka gamay. So around dere, around dito, around dere, ano yung kagubatan. So around, so here. Tuntan-awo na siya guys. What number?
There's a couple.
Couple.
3.
What do you mean Arden?
Hey, track 5.
What is this one?
The track is done now.
That way? And the other one the center.
The track 5.
Track 5. Okay. Start there ay. That way area. Go there ay. There are people there.
I must go back now.
Maybe niya he must go better there. Kay duhab sila ay kasta. Maybe niya you point the kasta ba? Okay.
Det är bonus hamn.
Bonus yan.
Bonus. Så track.
Okay.
This bonus 6.
6 to.
Maybe bonus 1. Going that way.
And that way. Okay.
Maybe bakom.
Okay.
Maybe bonus.
We promenera ta there kay maybe kasta sila that way.
Or maybe bonus.
Oh, and then yeah, maybe niya we have to point that one is not good.
Maybe bonus.
Oh, that way. We don't have to promenade kay starting na sila to playing. Here to, promenera. Okay, starting sila playing. Nay, starting na sila playing. Maybe.
I'll go closer. Let's go below.
Starting na playing. Oh, starting na sila to throwing. Maybe niya ta accident. Maybe niya our head na to accident.
There.
Oo.
There. There.
So where man ta? Kalboka. Kalboka. Wanarato hema. So now we have not two no. So what is the point of that way? So
Just this phone.
that way.
This is for free.
But you need of material.
No, you need the fish only.
Oo.
And that only.
Ay! What's that? Giggle, giggle. Woo! Can see orm.
Yeah, maybe this is. Yes, maybe.
Ah. There are 16 there. 6 minotaur. Battle iyan. Battle iyan. Uy, 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 uy. Ay, ay, ay. Uy. Battle iyan. Murray button. Meron na, let's go again. Before you don't have button. Retor ka. Mere button. There's turista. Ikaw mer. Kanggalayang, kanggalayang. Ano pa ba?
You know, how to function this game. This game is free.
Free.
So if you know, they you some more to go up early. And then we test it in the evening.
That way. Hey, the pugil is Harvey's. Yeah, then this go.
You're gonna buy two fish or only one.
The pugil bo.
Right, fish.
You do yora?
Do you want to test one also?
Do this there. Dumagi ni mo is not is good.
I can go up there.
Then what like that way. Okay. We have na maybe go there, guys.
Bring my cocktail.
Thank you for watching, guys. We go in the hema.